everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing around with a Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. Just got it in. So first I am going to go in with the brow bone highlight because we're going to go according to what the eyeshadow palette says. I already have my brows on, so we're just going to make a little quick eyeshadow tutorial. Next, I'm going to go in with the crease color, and I'm just going to buff that into my crease really quickly, make sure it's nice and blended in. And I'm going to go for a smoky eye look. And by the way, this is the Wet n Wild Comfort Zone palette. Next, I'm going to go in with the eyelid color, which is that pretty green color. And I'm going to put that all over my eyelid, but you won't be able to see that because I'm out of focus. And I'm really building that color because I want it to come through really, really green. It has like some specks of gold in it as well. It's a really pretty color. Next, I'm just going in and blending everything out, making sure that everything blends really well. There are no harsh lines in any of the transitions to the colors. Next, I'm going in back with that brow bone color just because I believe I took the crease color just a little bit too high, so I'm going back in and blending downward with the brow bone color. And with that fluffy blending brush, I just pinched the hairs and I made it a little bit more narrow so that I can fit it in. And I am still going in with that green color. This palette really doesn't have too much of a color payoff. You really have to build the light colors up. The dark color did have some pigment. Next, we are going to go in with the crease color again. And I'm really going to define the outer, actually I'm going to define the crease. Now I'm going to go in with what they call the definer, and I'm going to be taking that color into my outer V and just really building that color. It doesn't have too much of a color payoff, and it also has some like gold specks in it, so let's see where that goes. We're gonna go back in with the brow bone highlight, and we're gonna take that into our inner corners just to open up the eye a little bit because I did put some dark shadow there. Next, we're going in with the BH Cosmetics liquid eyeliner. And I'm also going in with the Smashbox Kohl gel liner to tightline and do the bottom lash line as well. Now I'm going in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is my first time using this product and I really like it. Next, I'm going down to my lower lash line and I took that crease color and I am buffing that really, really close to my lash line and going all the way out to the corner. I'm smoking that lower lash line out. Next, I'm going in with my Maybelline Stay Matte Ink Liquid Lip in the color Fighter. And this is the final look. If you like this type of tutorial, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I appreciate you guys watching. Have a good night. See you in my next video. Bye.